What if I tell you that you can build your own AI sales team using Claude Code? This team can help you research any company, do an opportunity assessment, gather insights on competitive advantage, identify decision makers in the company, do the scoring to tell whether they qualify as your prospect, as well as create an outreach strategy and messaging. Let me give you a glimpse of it. So here I type sales prospect followed by the name of the company, let's say producthunt.com, and immediately 5 parallel agents just launched simultaneously. Each one has a different job, and in about 60 seconds it can do company research, identify decision makers, perform opportunity assessment, that is BANT score, gather competitive intelligence, create a pipeline summary, as well as provide you the detailed action items for the next few days, few weeks, and in the upcoming months. So it's a gradual approach that you can take to acquire that potential business prospect. As you can see here, the prospect score is 60 out of 100. The grade is B. So it's a good prospect. And you know what? Entire analysis is saved in a markdown file as well as provided you through a PDF. That's how anyone, a founder, business owner, can use these Claude Code skills to drive outbound sales. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars on sales representatives who generally charge more than $50,000 for these kind of services. Today I'm going to show you exactly how this works live in real time on real companies, and then I'm going to show you how to install it yourself in under 45 seconds for free. Stay tuned until the end because I'm going to show you something that most people building with Claude Code completely miss. The part that actually turns this research into booked meetings. Before moving forward, friends, just a disclaimer that I'm going to use a GitHub repo for this particular task. And this repo is created by a gentleman named as Zubair Trabzada. I would like to say thank to him for taking time and creating this repo. Hey everyone, I am Nitin and you are watching the AI University. Alright, so let's build this AI sales team, which a Claude Code skill set with 14 specialized tools and 5 parallel agents. If you don't know what a Claude skills are, then you can watch this video by clicking on the I button above. So this AI sales team can be enabled using this Git repo shown here, right? And it contains 14 specialized Claude Code skills. If you click here, you can see that these are the Claude skills. Everything from qualify sales leads, writing outreach emails, following up on the emails sent, doing the competitor analysis, creating a report, identifying any sales prospects, building proposals, all the way to generating PDF pipeline reports. It's basically a full sales team minus the salary. But the star of the show and the reason we are starting with this one is the sales prospect command that I'm going to show you in a little while. This is the one that pulls everything together. Alright, let's install this thing. So first you need Claude Code installed on the Visual Studio Code, which is this code editor. So you can open the VS Code and go to this extensions tab. Here you can install this Claude Code for VS extension. I have already installed, so that's why it is showing me this uninstall button, but you can click on install button and it will be installed directly here. Once you do that, you need to provide the Claude Code credentials to log in. You will need to have a paid Claude Code subscription for this one. Once you do that, come to this Explorer section and click on Open Folder and select any folder of your choice which is present on your computer. I have selected mine, so my folder name is AI Sales Team. Now you need to open the terminal so that you can install the Git repo. So you can click here and your terminal will get opened here. So if you scroll down on this particular GitHub repo, you will see that there are a couple of options to install this particular GitHub repository. Number one, you can use this curl command directly. You just need to copy paste this curl command in the terminal. So you can just click on here and you can paste it here in the terminal. But today I'm going to show you how to manually install it. So just click here to manually install it. Go to your Visual Studio Code terminal and right click to paste it. Press enter and you can see that it has started installing it. Secondly, since we want to generate the PDF reports as well, so we will just copy this requirement.txt file as well and run it in the terminal. Press enter and all the dependencies, all the necessary libraries will be installed. On the left hand side you see that there is a subfolder created. Just click on it. You will see that all the agents, all the skills, that's 14 of them, are installed here, and total time less than 45 seconds. Okay, so now the moment of the truth. I'm going to run the full prospect command on a company known as Clay. Clay is a data enrichment solution and personalized outreach automation company. I could have a pre-run this and just shown you a saved file, but I want you to see this happen in real time because the parallel agent part is genuinely impressive to watch. So in the Claude Code chat section, let me invoke sales prospect skill as I want to gather the insights, or actually I wanted to know whether this particular company is going to be a right prospect to approach. So I will press enter. So number one, it's doing the phase one, which is discovery, and it's trying to gather information from the Clay's homepage right now. In fact, it will hit multiple sub pages about about pricing, blog, careers, customers, so on and so forth. So we will say yes for all. Now as you can see here, it has launched the phase 2. So here all 5 agents launching simultaneously. This is the part I love. Each agent is reading the same base data but is focused on extracting something completely different. So as you can see here, agent, there are different agents here. One is company research and firmographics. Another one is decision maker intelligence, opportunity and budget assessment, competitive position analysis, outreach strategy and messaging. So basically all of these agents are doing their part to identify the size of the company, growth signal, industry fit, funding stage, identifying the decision makers, who is the economic buyer, who might be a champion inside the organization. Then identify the budget, authority, need and timeline related information, as well as the competitive intelligence, where it maps the Clay's, which is the company we are researching, its competitive landscape. And now you can see that they are in the phase 3, where they are trying to synthesize the results, calculate the prospect scores and generate the report. So now you can see that it has came up with the prospect analysis.md file, which is here in the middle, right? You can see the executive summary, right? And here you can see that the prospect score is 77, grade A, confidence is high, so it's a qualified lead and we can pursue with the standard approach. Here is the entire executive summary and the go no go decision here. It says that prioritize this prospect, assign a senior rep with strong technical credibility. So pretty good, right? Comprehensive analysis. Then here you can see the snapshot of their company information, as well as employees, funding, estimated revenue, location, prospect score, so on and so forth. Then we have a score breakdown for each of the categories, their business model, right? And the funding history as well, growth trajectory, market position, security and compliance, which is very important aspect, their key customers, key strengths, key risks, in fact their organization chart as well. So you can see that the Kareem Amin is the CEO and co-founder, and the various people who are working with him. So in just couple of minutes, I know more about Clay as a prospect than most salesperson learn in a full hour of manual research. And it's all saved to prospect analysis.md, which I'm clicking yes, and it will be saved. Now here, as you can see, this file, and it is ready to feed into the next tool in the chain. So quick pause, because something just clicked for me while I was putting together this video. I want to tell you about this platform known as Blitz AI. Blitz AI take your product images and turn them into professional video advertisements in minute, the kind you would turn on Google Ads, Meta, TikTok, YouTube, without a production team without editing expertise and without the price tag that usually comes with both. For brands, e-commerce, stores, marketers, creators, if you are launching a product, running paid campaigns, or trying to scale your marketing without scaling your budget, Blitz AI makes the whole process simple and fast. You upload an image, the AI handles the rest. So check out this platform, link is in the description. Now back to the agents. Alright, so this is all good, but what if we want all of these findings in the form of a PDF report that looks fancy and professional and which can be shared to the potential prospects? So I will type something like sales report PDF and just enter. So now what it will do is it will check the prerequisites for PDF generation and it will create a very beautiful, detailed, professional PDF report with all of these findings. So now our PDF report is generated. Let's open it. Perfect. This is a very beautiful sales report. So in the PDF, you can see that there is the executive overview section, where it shows the pipeline score, total prospects, average score, grade, and then the score breakdown, company fit, contact access, opportunity quality, category profile, and here you can see the company fit as well, right, along with other parameters as well as overall score. You can also see the action plan it has provided, some of the quick wins, this week, short term what you can do, medium term what else you can do. So these are the action items for you to take in order to turn this particular prospect into a business. Then we have this section, scoring methodology, which actually explains the BANT and MEDDIC scoring frameworks. So friends, this is it for this video. In the upcoming videos, I will also let you know how to perform the competitor analysis, how to find the contacts, how to outreach, via email, how to use the sales follow-up skill to write the follow-up email sequence. If you want to meet the qualified prospect via meeting, then we will use the sales prep for meeting preparation brief, creating the client proposal, so and so forth. So look out for those videos in the future. And if you found value in this video, and I genuinely hope you did, smash the like button. It helps this series reach more people who needs it. Subscribe so you don't miss such AI related videos in future, and drop a comment below. I want to know what company are you going to run sales prospect command on. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.